So I have come here on the other side of the fence to have a look at the river. This is a very beautiful area, green fields, grasslands, and a bridge. The area is a bit marshy, and a river is also flowing on the other side. I like this weave. I'm gonna show it to you guys to have a better look at the bridge. This is a very old bridge. It was built somewhere around in the 15th century as per the locals, and it's still standing. It's in a good shape. It's still supporting I would say heavy vehicles. Wow, look at that bridge and the area. On the river. This is a beautiful river flowing down. Wow. It's flowing very fast, and look at that bridge. And there is our castle. The old castle or monastery, something like that. And here I am with the river. You can hear the sound of water flowing. The river. Wow, man. This is beautiful. I like it. This is the river flowing way ahead. There are some cows in there. Look at those cows.